example. Let us say I is equal to initialize to 0, right? I is equal to 0. So I've written I is equal to 0. And what is the condition I need to check? I less than or less than n. If this is true, I need to execute all the statements. So what is n value here? N value in this case, let us say 5, right? Because I have given 5 elements, n is equal to 5. So I'm checking 0 less than 5, which is true. If 0 less than 5, what I'm supposed to do? I need to execute all these statements, right? So if a of 0, what is a of 0? A of 0 is 1. That is, if 1 double equivalent to n, what is n value? 3. 1 double equal to n, is it true or false? This is false. So I need not execute the statements in between the if loop, if condition. I need to come out of the loop and go for the increment. Increment the value of I by 1. Then check the condition 1 less than 5. That is, I need to check a of 1. What is a of 1? A of 1 is 2. So I need to check the condition. What is the condition I need to check? 2 equivalent to 3. Is it true? 2 equivalent to 3 is also false. So I need not execute. I will come to increment the value of I. I is 2. 2 less than 5 is true. So I need to check a of 2. A of 2 is 3. Then I need to check the condition 3 double equal to 3, which is true. Because it is true, I need to execute the statement. What is the statement I need to execute? I need to break. Break means I need to come out of the for loop. So out of the for loop వచ్చేసరికి ఏం చేయాలి నేను? Here I need to check the value of I. Why I need to check the value of I? If I is less than, if I is less than n అయితే కనుక I think I have found the element. So we'll see if I is less than n, we'll see why I have written the code. Printf slash n, ఏంటి element. What is the element? Element that is entered by the user to be set percentage d is found at, ఎక్కడ ఫైండ్ చేసాం? I వాల్యూ ఎక్కడ ఉందో అక్కడ ఫైండ్ చేసాం, at a of percentage d. What is n? First percentage d, I need to write the value of n. What is the value I'm searching for? And found at I. ఎక్కడ ఏ ఇండెక్స్ దగ్గర ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసామో అది రాస్తున్నాం. ఎల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? లెస్ దాన్ అని కాదు, గ్రేటర్ అయిపోయిందంటే ఐ చెక్డ్ ఆల్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ బట్ I could not able to find. Then I'll write printf slash n element percentage d is not found in the array. In the array. That's it. Why I have given like this? We'll see with another example. Okay. In the same case, let us say in the same array, if my n value is equal to 7, I think till 3, I think first time it checks for the and 1 equivalent to 7. Yes or no? It is not true. It is false. Next time it checks 2 is equivalent to 7. And third time it checks 3 double equal to 7. Because it is not equal, break will not come in this case. And then I becomes, I need to increment it. I is 3, sorry. I value is 3. When I is 3, what I am supposed to check? I need to check the condition I less than n or not. What is I? 3 less than 5, because it is true. So I need to check a of 3. A of 3 is 4. What I am supposed to check? 4 double equivalent to 7, which is false. Increment the value of I. I is 4. 4 less than 5, which is true. So a of 4. A of 4 is 5. What is I am supposed to check? 5 double equal to 7, which is also false. Increment the value of I. I is 5. 5 less than 5. So this is false. 5 less than 5 ante ee condition false అవుతుంది. Condition false అయితే I need to come out of the loop. So at this point, what is the value of I? I value is 5. If I didn't check this value, if I print the value as printf element found at so and so, it is wrong. So that's why I'm checking if I is less than n. At this point of time, previously what is the case? I value is 2. So 2 less than 5 is true. So I'm printing the element is found at so and so place. In this case, the I value is 5. So 5 less than 5 is false. Because it is false, so I will come to the else part and execute the statement. What is the statement? The element percentage d not found in the array. I think you understood, right? And now we'll see how to execute the same program in dev. Okay. We need to write the code, open a new file. Now here I need to type the code. What I am supposed to type? Hash include stdio.h. It's up to you whether you define the value of n 10 or if you want to use a variable in your program also, it's up to you. This time we'll do a comment, we'll use, it's up to you, anything is correct. So int I comma n, which I want to initialize to, I don't want to initialize anything, n is a variable, and now I want to have a 10. Now I'll ask printf slash n, enter the values of the elements of the array A, and once this is done, I'll start a for loop for where I am supposed to I is equal to 0, I less than, this time because I've declared it as a of 10, I less than 10, I plus plus. So what I'm supposed to do, I'll write printf slash n, enter value of A of percentage d. We'll ask the user to enter A of d, and then I'll read the value. How to read? Percentage scan of percentage d ampersand of A of I. So this is finished the reading the element. Now I'll ask the user to enter what is the element I want to search for. Enter the value of the element which we would like to search in our array. Once I'll ask them, then I need to read percentage d comma ampersand of n. So once this is done, now I need to check whether the element is present or not. So before checking that, I'll print the element and then I'll check the condition. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, printf percentage d slash t comma not ampersand A of I. Just I'll display the elements. Then later I'll check that this is for finding out whether n is present in the given array. So how to check? Again, I need to write for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, if a of I double equivalent to n, that means the element exists, I'll write break, otherwise I'll not do anything, right? So